Is it on? It's on. Alright, check it out. We have a 370Z right here, right? Let me move this chair out the way because it's gonna mess up my video. Boom. 370Z in the garage for bags, you know, bags. That's what I do. But this video is entitled 370Z bags. It's titled 370Z steering wheel install. So I am about to take a road trip up to my friend Poppy Z at Poppy Z on Instagram to his house to put on one of those like fully carbon fiber steering wheels for him. Something I charge for, but we're making a house call today. And I'm collecting my tools. I got a 19 here, extension. We got a gun. And we got a Torx 30. That's the one with the hole in the middle. Security bit is what it's called. I have a security bit 30 and an extension. And I got a little baby screwdriver. So we're going to take these little items, Milwaukee, you know, the way to go. And I'm gonna take my big boy right here, so it'll make my life a lot easier. And we are going to go put a steering wheel on. So let's take a trip. Ring this bell. Look at this guy.
Daddy-O in the building. Daddy-O. What did it do? I didn't know if I was supposed to take it out of the garage. But...
Nah, we're gonna do it in a little cut.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, say hi to the camera. We're making YouTube videos.
Alright guys, my garage is not the cleanest, but it's doable.
It's dang, look at this tight space.
Yeah. I got the turbo right here. I got the two intercoolers right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now it blew up, but we're gonna fix that. I just didn't have the money for the turbo.
No money, but
yeah, so
meanwhile.
I gotta wait till the taxes come in, you know what I'm saying, next year. But she's still purring.
We might have to open this up so we can walk around, cause tight space.
There she goes.
About to hop into this one. You might want to disconnect the battery. That way, you know, we don't blow up any airbags.
Yeah, let's do that. That's just like #1 priority right there.
Oh, that is such a nice battery charger you got there.
Oh, I got it from this guy called Sanders the Guy. You know what I'm saying? Go to him if you want any.
Anyways. Alright, check this out. This guy, Street Aero, because you know, this guy's rich. We got some carbon fiber right here. Zoom in on that. Carbon fiber right here. You got carbon fiber right here. What else he got? He got carbon fiber right here. I ain't trying to say he got money, but
I don't.
He got a little bit of money. Like, look at this Street Aero steering wheel. This thing weigh about -pounds. Carbon fiber. The whole thing. He even got a little carbon fiber horn button ring thing. And Street Aero. I like that design. But boom. Wait. Actually, we're gonna go with boom. So we're gonna pull that one off. So doors locked still.
Jaji! Can you unlock my car?
More carbon fiber. Rich people, man, I'm telling you.
Before I unlock the battery?
Carbon fiber. Not really, I'm joking.
Josh!
And what we got in this box?
Give me the keys!
Said she working on it.
Did you do it?
Money. Slow. Quick release.
I tried it. Alright, yeah.
Alright, we open. Taking this stuff out the box. Your little garage light cut off, but it's all good. And we got a little hub. NRG. Let me know when you get that battery disconnected. Connector. Resistor. Oh, they gave you two. When I got my steering wheel, they only gave me one. My light didn't go for like ever.
You said your what?
My steering wheel light.
Oh yeah.
It ain't been on forever. Got little ground plates. What else we got here? Little horn ring. That's what this is. Kind of helps with the horn. So boom, 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 and boom.
Alright, it's off.
Alright. And it's working. Is it going now?
Vlog.
Yeah, we're vlogging. Look at this. T30. It goes inside. You gotta take these little clips off. You see the little hole right here? In the hole. This hole right here. T30, bam. One on each side. If you rich and got tools, you just hit it with the gun. But if you broke, use your ratchet. Bam. Let me wiggle this out. Alright, it's out. Oh. Alright, little screwdriver. What do I do with that little screwdriver? Fuck it, use my hands. This is the thing that. Is this the thing in the video where the dude said it blew up on him? Stupid. Take these little connectors off. Bam. And what else we got here? This one. I literally just had that little baby screwdriver that doesn't last. Oh wait. Oh well. You sure you ain't sitting on it? Nope. Boom. Off. Got that? And this smooth, nice Z button for sale. Anybody need an airbag?
It is for sale.
Alright, what else we got? Got that Big Daddy right here. I'm about to hurt myself, watch. 19. Yep, definitely a 19. You air it out, right?
Yeah, I'm aired out.
Okay. Make sure the wheels don't turn. Screwdriver. Alright, so don't take the bolt all the way off because you gotta get the steering wheel loose. So you take it almost all the way off and then you gotta like pull on the steering wheel to get it to bust loose. Because if not, you're gonna hit yourself in the face. So boom, loose. Then you take the screw off. That nut. And then, boom, I found the screwdriver by the way. This hub shit. Alright, so here's the hub. Kinda gotta keep track of where up is. And make sure this shit doesn't turn. And up right there. Hold on, gotta get these off. They're like hooked on there. Hooked on phonics. Steering wheel out. Boom. Run these little bad boys through this hole. Let me wiggle this on. Gonna need a line. quite possibly need an alignment. Alright. Update. You see this little piece right here? This was about right here. And if you look on the back of this, it only has room for this side, not this side. So we popped it off. This is, either way, this is just for the airbag. You ain't gonna have no airbag, but you will have an airbag light. So you'll be alright. It ain't gonna make no noise, nothing crazy like that. This is for the horn. So plug this bad boy in there. Boop. And we test this out. Actually, we're just gonna put it on. Run this little line through here. No going back. How wide of an angle is that? Is it in there? Is it recording everything?
Mm-hmm. Pretty good.
Let's go one notch this way, because that's what we want. We gotta line this fish up. Boom. Alright, real quick. We had to take everything back off. Because so this connector they give you, if you plug it in, boom, this black wire right here, it's 3 from the top, but actually on the factory steering wheel one, it's 3 from the bottom. So it came with these cool little connector things, and you have to put it in this one. So I'm gonna take this off. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, just so I can show you that it works. 3, right? And the center of the button is the one for the horn. Here, take this. So, boom. So nothing, but once you connect the ground to the ground, look at this. Ooh, ooh. Boom, horn. Alright, so this is what we gotta do. So if you get yours and this has the wire 3 from the top, it needs to be 3 from the bottom. So yeah, just look for this one that has a little hole in it. You essentially just stick it in there, 1, 2, 3, and stick it in there, so that when you push it in there real good, you actually can probably see it. But plug it up, make sure it's on there good, and test it out one more time. This is probably like the most elaborate video on YouTube. So I just sat there and watched all of them. Bam. Red wire. Actually, let's try something out. Red wire, black wire. Let's see this. Nope. So yeah, red wire. The red wire is the key to making the horn work. So when you put this over this, just go ahead and stick the 2 wires through. I feel so official right now. Literally, none of those videos said any of this. Then we're gonna put it on, line that up at the back. Bam. Alright, so that's on. We got quick release. The yellow will go into the red. So that the horn can work. And then we're literally about to just bolt it back up. So stick everything back in this little hole. Holes.
The nut's still on there?
And then we're gonna put the bolts back in. So, putting the bolts in this one, and while we're over here with this, he's over there putting the bolts in the steering wheel. That way we can speed up the process just a little bit. Be sure to follow Sanders the God at Poppy Z over here. If you like 370s, I got a 350.
Or if you just like me.
That was, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's just a bunch of guys watching this, but he said if you just think he's a cool guy, you like his nice, expensive $400 steering wheel, look at that carbon. He said follow him on the gram. I'm gonna speed this part up so you don't have to just watch me
Oh my
screw.
goodness.
On. It's on, right? Alright. Quick release on. Look at this steering wheel in my lap. Pointing to my lap. This was a headache.
Believe it or not.
Believe it or not. This was a headache. But look at that. Carbon fiber. Is it zoom? Like, make sure it's getting the glossiness of the carbon fiber. Street Aero. Looking all good and stuff. Quick release on the back. Everything bolted down, tightened down. This is tightened down, and boom. We got some action out here. Alright, so for you to know, press the little button, pull the ring back. That's how it comes off. You can take there's a thing, you can take it off so that you don't have to press the button, but just leave it alone, and bam, quick release. It sits out a little bit further than the factory one, so you're gonna have to get used to it being a little bit closer to you. But other than that, bam. Alright, let me check these real quick. Where's the black one? Boom, boom, boom. Tight and tight. Alright, pass that camera. Alright, so for everybody watching, this is a steering wheel install with me and Poppy Z. It was a struggle. I'm gonna make sure to put the parts that was a struggle and put it in the corner. It's gonna say struggle. And but here's the steering wheel. So we're gonna label this Street Aero full carbon fiber steering wheel on a 370Z install, because it took some work. There was some work that had to go into this, but we got it. That wasn't it. That wasn't it. Alright, so as YouTube says, subscribe to my channel, like, comment. My man's is going wide body, right?
Wide body coming soon. Stay tuned.
Coming soon. So if you like 370s and flashy guys,
Watch this video.
watch the next video
Definitely.
of his car when we throw the wide body on there and get it tuned, because I'm definitely
You're
coming.
getting tuned, yes.
I'm definitely
We're
gonna
getting
come.
tuned before we go wide body.
Tuned before the wide body. He wants to crackle and pops, but you know, we're gonna make it happen. So thanks for watching Sanders TV. Alright everybody, thanks for watching this episode. 370Z done. Now to head home and do the bags on the next 370Z. Another black one, but it belongs to my friend Micah. He has some airlift bags, some 3P management, and we're gonna knock this one out really quick. So stay tuned to the next video. If you want to see on the spot updates of what's going on in Sanders Garage and whatever I got going on, follow me on Instagram. I'm very, very active on Instagram. DM me about anything, and I respond to every DM. And again, like, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.